only realized afterwards that over here is a bracket that holds the power steering cables on. Why on the subframe, I don't know, but anyway, let's see if it comes out this time. Okay, after battling with the subframe, it's now sorted. Those don't look like proper standard bushings, but anyway, now we can start on the sump. It doesn't look like there's much, just a couple of bolts. Oh shit, and a tensioner. Okay, so I've got to take the bolt off first, because the bracket, there's a bracket that for the bolt tensioner, so I've got to do that first. If we look carefully, try and get some good angle here. There's a couple of, there we go, that's much, oh shit, missing oil here. There we go, here's some bearing. Nothing like a good old bit of bearing in your sump, eh? But it looks like it's not much, so that's cool. Cool. And now we carry on. Okay, carrying on to take off the bigger part of the sump, or the main sump. Just loosening this 22mm nut here, spanner size 22, to take off the oil filter housing, oopsie, so that I don't have to take the water lines off, otherwise I have to re-bleed the whole system, and I really do not feel like doing that. That's just a pain. That's not necessary right now. So yeah, so just taking this off, probably just got a bit of oil left there. So yeah, with that out, at least I can take the sump off and just, I don't know, oh shit, mustn't lose that. And yeah, almost there, most of it's loose. These brackets are all loose. I just need to make sure that I can take the sump off without having any other issues. Okay, cool. Main sump off. I think a windage tray, whatever it is, off. A little bit of more shit at the bottom there. But here we are. What I can see, it looks like, I think, cylinder 2. Correct me if I'm wrong, but anyway. That's the main culprit. Fault the rest, they feel okay. These other ones do feel a bit dodgy. Not that one. Okay, now that's just side to side. That's fine. That feels fine. I'll have to move the motor to feel these ones, but this is the knocking on heaven's door. So yeah, need to get that out and check the damage. So this is what came off the top part of the bearing. That looks like it's spun a bearing because it was overlapped, and yeah, as you can see there, it actually heat seized onto it. That crank looks, there are a couple of grooves on here, so unfortunately not usable. So I don't know what I'm going to do now. I'll have to see if I can find another one or something along those lines.